School of Design in 2017, and we are running 3 courses here, which are very interesting, and they are quite interdisciplinary in nature. So we have interspace design, we have communication design, and we have fashion and textiles. So I am associated with the School of Design in interspace design stream. Right. And personally, I'm a architect. I've done my master's in urban design, both from CEPT University, Ahmedabad. And what I'm going to share with you today is something that I've developed as a skill over a period of time. So I've loved like working with hands and creating stuff with your hands, drawing, sketching, painting, and then moving on to sculpture. Like I can show something that I have. So something like this. So I'm working on a lot of things basically here in the studio, and students are also working with us all the time. So it's quite interesting. So what we'll see today is just a basic concept and basic understanding and introduction to this field of design in the way that cartoons are introduced. Okay. So uh, to all the participants, if you can just get some pieces of paper with you and some drawing material, so it will be really nice because I will like that interaction. You can draw along with me, and we can then see, because a lot of times it happens that we feel I don't know how to draw, or I don't think I am a good artist, or I don't feel I can represent so well. But this workshop is beyond all of that. We don't need to think about all of that. We just need to draw, put something on paper, and I'm here to show you how to do that. Okay. So can you just give the participants like 5 minutes to get their materials, like some drawing paper and pen, pencils, sketch pens, whatever they have.
Absolutely. Participants and people who are interested into this workshop, please get the material as displayed on your screen with sketch pens, pens, blue, black, I guess, and certain colors. So we give you about a few minutes, and a pencil, of course.
Yeah.
So
Anything is
just,
fine. Yeah.
yeah, just wait. We'll wait for you till you gather your material. Once up, please put a thumbs up.
Yes.
I think we may begin. Abhijit sir, we can begin.
Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll start with 4 letters. So I would like the session to be a little interactive. I mean, the students should reply. Can they respond by unmuting or like typing into their chat box? Okay. So can anyone tell me what ABCD means? Like you would have heard this term, right? It's part of popular media. So for me, it is anybody can draw. Okay. So this is very important for people like us. It doesn't matter if the drawing is good or bad. Okay. We just have to put something on paper and pen. And because it's a very personal thing, it is for us to decide if I like it or not. Okay. And ma'am, is the media for this workshop English is fine, or Hindi, Gujarati?
I think it's fine as for the oral standards. Please be comfortable in your own way of projection. डोंट वरी, हिंदी
या
आई थिंक ज्यादा समझ में आएगा.
वो मैं मिक्स करता रहूंगा, आई थिंक दैट
I
वुड बी.
think that would
या.
work. That would work.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
great.
please go ahead.
Okay, great. And the participants, if you have any doubts, you may write it down or put it in the chat box, or I think if you can unmute and say, that is also fine with me. So don't hesitate to please ping in between. Okay. So we start with this. Anybody can draw. Okay. So you need to have, first of all, the confidence to basically put something on paper. That is the commitment you're doing. So today our topic would be looking at cartoons. Okay. So all of you are familiar with cartoons. We used to have this fantastic Cartoon Network ka channel, and we had this Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, and all of these characters, Looney Tune characters, and a variety of others as well. So they are basically falling into this category of cartoons. Okay. Now, what are the words that we associate with them? Okay. They might be like funny, or they would be cute. Some people would call them like cute. Okay. So what it has to do with this thing called proportions. There might be a little bit of technical words, but it has to do with this word of proportions. Just to give an example, if you have a hand, right? So with this hand, the ratio, ye kitna lamba hai as compared to the width of this hand, that is called a proportion, right? So same with the human body, everything is there in proportion. And to crack this, we start by giving an example of the head. Now, head is where you have, why I have selected head? Because head is where you have your eyebrows, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the cheeks. Okay. All of these things can combine to give you expressions. Okay. They also basically display emotions. This is very, very important. And when we are doing cartoons, all of these things are exaggerated. इनको बढ़ चढ़ा के दिखाते हैं. Okay. So that is where this term is, if I look at caricature. Okay. This term is very important for us, caricature. So caricature मतलब जैसे आपका किसी का भी अगर फेस ड्रॉ करना है, उसको हम बोलते हैं ना कार्टून के स्टाइल में ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो फेस तो फेस ही है, बट प्रोपोर्शंस भी वही है. बट देर आर सम फीचर्स ऑन द फेस. वो फेस में कुछ खूबियां हैं जो आर्टिस्ट उसको देख के बड़ा चढ़ा के दिखाता है, एग्जैजरेट करता है. देर आर लॉट ऑफ एप्स टू डू दैट ऑल्सो. सो बेसिकली व्हाट they are trying to do is they are trying to create a caricature of sorts for people. Okay. तो जैसे हम फाइन आर्ट्स में बोलते हैं पोर्ट्रेट ड्राइंग. ओके. सो कैरिकेचर इज नॉट पोर्ट्रेट, बट ये आपको क्या देता है? ये आपको लाइकनेस देता है कि आप आइडेंटिफाई कर पाओगे ये कौन है, पर उसमें फीचर्स थोड़े एग्जैजरेटेड होते हैं. ओके. राइट. सो this is how you convert. These are the basic points when you have to create a sort of a cartoon. Okay. ये चीज जो एनिमेशन में घुस रहा है, या फिर कोई भी डिजाइन में अगर आप जाते हो, फाइन आर्ट्स में भी आप जाते हो, तो ये कॉमन चीजें हैं जो आपको जानने की जरूरत होती है टू अंडरस्टैंड. एंड इट इज वेरी सिमिलर टू इफ व्हेन sketch artist develops a sketch for the say police. Okay, कोई क्रिमिनल है, उसको पकड़ना है. So one person can describe ना, इसका सर ऐसा था, बाल ऐसे थे, गाल ऐसा था, आंख ऐसा है, नाक ऐसा है. So that person has to sketch it out. उसको आप एग्जेजरेट भी कर सकते हो, नहीं भी कर सकते, छोटा भी कर सकते हो. तो एक रियलिस्टिक होता है जो पोर्ट्रेचर में जाता है, एंड जो एग्जेजरेटेड होता है वो कैरिकेचर में जाता है, और उसका हम कार्टून बनाएंगे. ठीक है. सो विद दैट वी विल जस्ट स्टार्ट क्विकली. Okay. So I hope all of you have pens with yourself, or pencil, whatever you have with you. So I want you to draw with me. आप मेरे साथ ड्रॉ करते जाइए. ठीक है. बहुत सोचना नहीं है. So let's start. Okay. Step 1. ठीक है. You have to draw with me quickly. All right. Step 2. step 3, 4, 5, 6, ठीक है, then 7, 8, 9. Right? Now, can someone tell me what is this? What is this sketch? कोई बता सकता है ये क्या है? हमने जो बनाया ये क्या है? Ma'am, can they unmute and say, or can they type? And other participants?
Both ways. We don't think we have a restriction.
Okay. Okay, right. So what we see here is a head, right? So आप identify कर सकते हो क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 आँख है, एक कान है, नाक है, मुंह है. The head is there. It is identifiable. Okay. So now if we want to develop it, हम थोड़ा इसको develop कर सकते हैं. Okay. So you can understand what is happening, or maybe if I add some more. Right? So this is one expression that I've got. This falls into a cartoon ka category. Okay. Let's draw something else. Okay. Chalo. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 5, all right. Now if I have to add some details, okay. तो neck थोड़ा और नीचे ले सकते हैं. We can do it somewhere here, right? So you see how I've used, say, the same elements, the eyes and the nose, the mouth, the eyebrows, with the same with a different sort of an expression. Okay, this is a very simple generic way of understanding a caricature. It's a very simple way of doing a cartoon. It's not caricature because it's not of a particular person, but it's a you can call it a cartoon. Okay, it's a very simple idea of sketching. Yes.
Sorry,
yes.
I'm breaking you in between. Can you put that cartoon back, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this looks like an expression of 2 people, a couple probably, right? And the way they are indirectly communicating via the picture. Now,
Hmm.
as a student, if I want to learn about cartoons and how to draw cartoons,
Yeah.
and especially these are the types that we see in the newspaper or a comic book,
Yes.
right? And also now with certain cartoon channels, also we see Motu Patlu, and we
Hmm.
see these kind of characters over there.
Yes.
So my whole question, my reason to ask you to put it back is that this type of cartoon, does it have a particular name?
Actually, all of these, whatever you have mentioned, they fall into this category of illustration.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So
So
there are types of cartoons. Jesse, if you look at the work of Mario Miranda, he's an illustrator. He's an artist also. You can call him an artist. But the way he draws it is very unique. He draws people like this, and it shows the life of Goa, and it is very unique. And if you're reading newspapers, you would be familiar with Lakshman. His cartoons are very famous. So he is also doing actually illustration. Okay. So a lot of these cartoons that you see in posters or newspapers or say Tinkle Digest. Okay. So they are made by people called illustrators and they make illustrations. These are called illustrations. They can have a variety of uses basically. Uh, जैसे if you look at in Surat, they have the health department has created two characters. Okay, when you want to segregate your house waste, like a green color dabbe mein, the wet waste goes there, the dry waste goes into the other, plastic waste goes into the other bag. So basically, they have created characters based on cartoons so that people can understand what is happening. Okay, so if you look at जैसे mascot, okay, this word you would hear during your Olympic games or any games of a national level happening or any state level happening. So they create all these animals or they create creatures which have this cartoony or a very abstracted visual. So that is where it is useful. Okay, it is like branding. You are creating an image for something. Okay, if you want to look at caricature, okay, so caricature मैंने आपको बताया कि you take a photograph of any person, say Shah Rukh Khan, okay, so you can then Google how to make a cartoon style of Shah Rukh Khan's face. So there are right now apps which can do that. So these apps would be developed by people in consultation with illustrators like that. No, okay. So how to exaggerate what part of the face, that is very interesting, and that is very important when you're creating some apps like that. So for today, the world of design is quite interdisciplinary, so you can use your skill in various ways in very different applications. If I just show you one example, so I was just taking this one more workshop, so students can identify this is a figure of Deadpool. Okay, and Deadpool that we see in movie, it is a realistic depiction, but here if you see iska shoulder kitna bada hai, the waist is so slim, the legs are so thin. But now if I have to create a toy out of this, okay, आपने जो ये sculpture बना है, इसका आपको अगर toy बनाना है, so you need to know what happens inside, and it is a collectible, it is a collector's market like GI Joe. Okay, so there are action figures like something like this. Okay, so there are action figures like this, or there are which these can move. So, or there are statues which don't move. So they can be actually useful. And illustration is the first part. All right. So, okay. So illustration is the first part of this process. Okay. So even if you're looking at the cartoons, so the cartoons, like for example, if you look at Shaun the Sheep, so it is a stop motion animation cartoon. Okay, it has the models are made of clay. So before making that model, you'll have to sketch it first. So they sketch, say the Shaun the Sheep. So that model, that figure is sketched from all the directions, and then the sculptor goes around making that, and then the wire is there, and then it goes into production. So this is the workflow, and this is where the illustrators can use their skill. Now people or students who are illustrating, they can have their own styles, they can have their own interest. Okay, another example I can give is if you look at Amul cartoons, okay, Amul posters. So people are shown with a childlike proportion. Okay, sir bada hota hai, and they look like people, like you will be able to identify political figures or sportsmen, but due to their face, the head and the beard and the hair and the clothes, but their proportions are cartoony. Okay, now participants might also know about this thing called Funko Pop. Okay, so what happens here in Funko Pop is, I'll just try to show you what is happening here is, okay, you have a head which is that big, ठीक है, और उसके सामने body छोटा होगा, that will be the proportion of the body, right? So you have the eyes which are like that, almost like a baby ka proportion. Then you have the mooch which is doing that, and you have this, the ears, and then you have this body here. Then you have the base. Right? So this is actually not a real figure, but it has been tweaked. The proportions has been tweaked so that this is also one form of cartoon, right? So आपका ये जो Funko Pop है, it can relate to what we are saying here, cartoon, right? So yeah, these are various aspects of how you can actually use this technique in different fields. Then there is one thing called concept art. जैसे आपको एग्जांपल मैंने दिया आपका ये सुपर हीरोज का, जैसे यू हैव ब्लैक पैंथर एंड उसका एक पूरा अलग ही वर्ल्ड दिखाया है वकांडा में. देन यू हैव वंडर वुमन और उसका एक अलग आइलैंड दिखाया है. सो you can basically create versions out of that. For example, on Cartoon Channel, there would be like a Dink the Dinosaur. So you have to imagine everything in the cartoon ka proportions. So dinosaur is real, the inspiration is real, right? So ये सबके लिए the training or the practice that you require is the same. You look at people, you sketch. You look at objects, you sketch. You look at animals, you sketch. And after you have gained that sort of understanding, फिर आप proportions को tweak करके you can get the result that you want. आपके field में जो आपको चाहिए, that you can get by understanding all of these things and playing around with all of these things. ठीक है, मैम, did I answer your question?
Yes, actually, a lot of clarity. Thank you.
Right, right. So I will touch upon one more small thing. I'll just take a fresh page. Okay. Now, when we have started with the cartoon, and especially we are talking on the head. So if I tell you कि how does a real human head look like? Okay, so आप तो हर रोज कितने लोगों को देखते हो, मिलते हो. So if I have to rationalize, अगर मैं उसको geometry में अगर fit करने जाऊँ, just a rough idea के लिए, so I will draw two squares. Okay, this is one square, this is the other square. You see, I'm drawing very loosely. I don't need to be perfect. क्या हो रहा है? So the first one I will divide into 3 parts. Okay, the second one in 2 parts. Now, from the front, this is the front. Okay, the human head is 2/3 a square. Okay, so एक oval ऐसे बनता है उसमें, ठीक है. फिर ये जो half point line है उसमें eyes आ जाती है. फिर वापस half point line में you have the nose coming in, right? Then you have the mouth, then you have the chin, and then you can determine कि आपको ये male figure है या female figure है, and add some more details to that. right? So this is from the front. Now, if I look at the same figure, head from the side, I get a oval and I get another oval. ठीक है, तो अभी यही चीज इसको एक्सटेंड करके यहाँ पे आपका आईज आ गया, यहाँ पे नोज आ गया, एंड द माउथ आ गया, एंड चिन, चीक यहाँ पे आ गया, एंड देन द हेड गोज बिहाइंड लाइक दैट, राइट? इट फॉलोज ऑलमोस्ट दैट लाइन, राइट? सो व्हाट वी डू इन कैरिकेचर इज वी ट्वीक दिस, हम इसको एग्जैजरेट कर देते हैं, ब्रेक कर देते हैं. जैसे अगर ये हेड को अगर मुझे साइड से ड्रॉ करना है, देन आई कैन से कि ऐसा है, right? So I can create a character based on something like that, which looks evil or something which looks negative. Okay, I'm tweaking the proportions here and I'm playing with that. Okay. Similarly, front से आप देखोगे तो front से भी आप कर सकते हो. For example, if I take this and then मैं इसको wide कर देता हूँ. I take a squarer proportions like that. ठीक है. So some of you can recognize because it's a green. Okay, so Hulk would have a proportion like that. Okay, so you can start off with a basic, very basic understanding of anatomy and then take it forward. आप उसको break कर सकते हो. इसका दो और example आपको मैं यहाँ पे दे सकता हूँ. If I talk about, I'll just draw first and let's see if you can. Okay. Right. So can you identify who is this person? या कहाँ से है? Can anyone identify what I have drawn here? In the meantime, I'll sketch one more. Yeah. Now, can someone identify? They are from two different places, obviously. You can understand. Okay. Okay. So Japan, Japanese. Yes, yes. Okay. I'll just request, ma'am, if you can just read out the responses because I'm not able to.
No worries, no worries. I'll read it out. The response, one of them, Abir Arora, mentioned that he came from Japan and he's a Japanese. Is he a Japanese?
He is a Chinese, but you can identify that is a Mongoloid character. Mongoloid.
Yeah, Mongoloid, and also in a lot of Shaolin movies, we can see this character.
Yes. Now, if I
see it in Kung Fu Panda.
Exactly. So that is where they have taken the character of Po. So instead of this, if I just take these eyes and do that,
super.
Okay, if I just do that, and then the nose I invert.
Correct.
ठीक है, बन गया पो.
Oh.
So the idea is the same. You take references and then you exaggerate whatever you see. आप जो देखते हो उसको लेके आप उसको tweak करो तो आपको मिल जाएगा concept. And something about this, has anybody been able to tell where is this guy from?
He's like a red Indian.
This looks from Africa. You have a curly hair.
The
So
African tribe.
yeah, from Africa, these guys have mostly long faces. Proportionately, they are slender. They have longer faces. So what I'm trying to get at is, I'm talking about ethnicity.
Okay.
What I can do is I can talk about ethnicity. बहुत simply, मैंने जैसे इसके लिए छोटे छोटे 2-3 चीज ड्रॉ कर दिया. Quickly you can identify it's a Japanese or a Chinese. So same with this wing, same with red Indian. Okay, so you can very quickly say कौन कहाँ से क्या है और क्या हो रहा है, और वो बेसिक चीज आपको पता चल गई ना, फिर आप उसको लेके आप एग्जैजरेट कर सकते हो, उसको हाईलाइट कर सकते हो, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि क्या हो रहा है आगे. So that is a very interesting feature. I saw a raised hand in the chat somewhere.
There. No.
Okay.
Sabiha Rahman. I don't know if she.
Okay.
Sabiha, actually, you can unmute and talk to us as well. All the participants, Abir, Gaurav, Jignesh, Kajal.
Yeah.
Sabiha, if you're all unmuted, you can talk to us or chat with us.
Yeah. Yeah. So everyone who is looking, I would just like to do a small exercise with you, है ना, एक छोटा सा गेम जैसा खेलते हैं, राइट? तो आपके पास जो पेपर है उसको, उसमें पहले तो आप 8 सर्कल बना दो, ठीक है, 8 या 12 जो भी है. सो आई विल मेक लाइक 1 2 3 4, ठीक है. परफेक्ट नहीं होगा तो चलेगा, वैसे ही नीचे 1 2 3 and 4. Right? It's a very quick exercise and it's a good way of brainstorming. Okay. अभी आपने जो सर्कल बनाया है उसमें इमेजिन करो ये सारे स्माइलीज है, ये सारे फेसेस है. ओके, तो आपको उसमें एक्सप्रेशन देना है. इफ आई हैव टू राइट द वर्ड, आई विल से हैप्पी, सैड, डिसग्रंटल्ड, पजल्ड. तो वैसे एक्सप्रेशंस आपको देना है. एंड बट द कैच इज ओनली यूज द आईज एंड द आईब्रोज. ओके, आप आईज या आईब्रोज दे सकते हो, उतना ही आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. सो फर्स्ट ड्रॉ सर्कल्स लाइक दीज एंड क्विकली एज पर द एक्सप्रेशन दैट यू हैव थॉट. जैसे अगर मैं बोलता हूं कि हैप्पी, ठीक है, देन आई से के फियरफुल, देन आई से सैड. सो उसके हिसाब से उसमें आईज और आईब्रोज कैसे होंगे. Okay, so just draw that and I will also draw with you. Okay, so let's try. Imagine it's a smiley, no, it's a cartoon. राइट, इतना हो गया, 4 तो हुए होंगे. ठीक है, Now, if I have to say, okay, complete the rest of the image with the nose and the mouth. Okay. Abhi I'll try to complete it with the by adding the nose and the mouth. Okay. Okay. So if you can see, they have very distinct characteristics. Okay. But just the position of the eyes, the eyebrows, the eye pupils, uske andar, the mouth, the nose, kahin pe I can change, right? So a lot of these things basically make a difference to the expression of a character. Okay. If I just give another example. So I have this circle here. Okay. So this is endless and this is a very good exercise of brainstorming. आप अगर सोच रहे हो ना कि कॉन्सेप्चुअली कि क्या होना चाहिए, कैसे होना चाहिए, वो एक बार करके ही आप देख सकते हो कि ये ऐसे करेंगे तो ऐसा दिखेगा. एंड द सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज वुड बी, आपने एक बार आईज जो बना दी, सपोज इफ यू हैव हैप्पी, फियरफुल, सैड एंड एंग्री, इसकी आपने आईज और आईब्रोज बना दिए. अभी उस पे आप कैसा कर सकते हो, हैप्पी का जो ऑपोजिट एक्सप्रेशन है, जैसे सैड इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ हैप्पी. So imagine you are creating a mouth of sad. Now, for example, if I just take it from here, okay, so I will make the eyes from happy and I'll take the rest of the features from sad. Okay. So what will happen is you will start getting these mixed emotions wala things. You will start getting this intermediate emotions, and that could be a continuation of this, right? So that's a very, very simple exercise. It's a very, very interesting exercise, and it's very fun as well. Okay. पर यहाँ पे आपने अगर देखा, I have used 3-4 types of eyes. Okay. एक तो है आई जो एक बड़ा सा आई बॉल है एंड देयर इज अ स्मॉल डॉट इन बिटवीन फॉर द प्यूपिल. एक है कि एक बड़ा सा आई है एंड उसमें एक पूरा सा डॉट है. ओके. देन यू हैव bigger sort of a dot here, or you might have just two full eyes. Okay. Smiley में जैसे होता है, you have just two of these. Right. Very, very quick expressions. And yeah. Let's try something else. Just a moment.